Today's discussion revolves around identifying the absolute worst ice cream one can eat, alongside the best ice cream choices. Interestingly, there are certain ice creams that are deemed healthy. Towards the end of this video, a fantastic recipe will be shared. Given a background marked by extensive ice cream consumption, there is a certain level of expertise in this area. For an entire year, a pint of Ben & Jerry's ice cream was consumed every single night as a remedy for severe insomnia. Ben & Jerry's seemed to help induce sleep, although it was later realized that this was due to a sugar coma. Let's delve into the worst-case scenario type of ice cream: Ben & Jerry's. Examining the ingredients of Ben & Jerry's reveals that it contains cream, liquid sugar, skim milk, more sugar, brown sugar, soybean oil, and tapioca flour, which serves as a filler and isn't even sweet. Each serving size of Ben & Jerry's has 49 grams of carbohydrate. Multiplying 49 by 3 results in 147 grams of carbohydrate per pint. Some of that starch converts into sugar, equating to about 35 3/4 teaspoons of sugar in a single pint of Ben & Jerry's ice cream. This considerable sugar content is alarming. Moving on to Breyers, another popular ice cream brand. One serving size of Breyers contains 21 grams of carbs and 18 grams of sugar, but each container typically has 4 serving sizes. Multiplying 21 by 4 results in 84 grams of carbohydrate per container. Breyers also poses another issue. It contains high fructose corn syrup, which is worse than regular cane sugar. Additionally, seed oils are included, making it particularly unhealthy. It is crucial to pair high fat with low carb intake. Combining high carb and high fat, as seen with most ice creams, is detrimental to health. Breyers Vanilla is another ice cream variant worth considering. It contains 4 main ingredients: milk, cream, sugar, a certain type of gum used as a thickener, and natural flavorings. This composition marks a significant improvement compared to others, although there is no assurance of the ingredients being organic or grass-fed. Breyers also offers a version called Carb Smart, their low-carb option. Unfortunately, this version is compromised by the inclusion of maltitol syrup, a sweetener that supposedly doesn't raise blood sugar significantly but can cause gastrointestinal problems. It also contains soluble corn fiber, which lacks comprehensive safety studies, and sucralose, a chlorine-based sugar known to disrupt the microbiome. Given the choice between the regular vanilla Breyers with 5 ingredients and Carb Smart, the regular version is preferable, though it should be consumed in moderation. Haagen-Dazs is another brand that deserves attention. It consists of 5 ingredients: cream, skim milk, egg yolk, cane sugar, and natural flavoring. Each serving size contains 23 grams of cane sugar, with a total serving size of 2.5, which amounts to 14 teaspoons of sugar, significantly lower than the 34 teaspoons found in Ben & Jerry's. Haagen-Dazs, therefore, has half the sugar content of Ben & Jerry's, making it a slightly better option. When it comes to keto-friendly ice creams, a brand labeled as keto claims to be suitable for a keto diet. It contains 3 net carbs per serving size of 3, totaling 16 carbs. The ingredients list includes cream, water, egg yolk, strawberries, and soluble corn fiber. This ice cream has 10 grams of sugar alcohol per 1/3 serving, which can cause digestive issues. Although it lacks other types of sugar, synthetic fibers somewhat diminish its appeal. Nevertheless, it is a step up compared to Ben & Jerry's. There is also an interesting story about the creation of keto-friendly ice cream using coconut oil as the fat and the best available ingredients. The goal was to achieve the best texture through numerous trials. A significant challenge involved ensuring the ice cream remained fluffy and stable. An unfortunate mistake in ordering the wrong type of coconut oil led to the disposal of 20,000 units, highlighting the complexities of ice cream production. Rebel ice cream is another option worth mentioning, with 0 grams of sugar per pint. It contains cream, water, egg yolk, chicory root fiber, milk protein isolate, carob gum, and monk fruit. These ingredients are not detrimental, making Rebel a viable choice for those seeking healthier ice cream options. Another product to consider is Simple Truth, which is categorized as a frozen dairy dessert rather than ice cream. This classification is due to its inability to meet the requirement of containing at least 10% milk fat. The first ingredient listed is inulin, which raises red flags due to its potential to cause digestive issues. Additional ingredients include allulose, maltitol, erythritol, milk protein concentrate, coconut oil, guar gum, monk fruit and stevia, with 28 grams of carbohydrate, 8 grams of fiber, and 13 grams of sugar alcohol per serving size, totaling 39 grams of sugar alcohol. Consuming an entire container in one sitting could lead to significant digestive discomfort. As illustrated, ice creams vary widely in their levels of unhealthiness. It is imperative to read ingredient labels carefully, as terms like keto-friendly or carb smart can be misleading. While some commercially available options are somewhat acceptable, the best approach is to make ice cream at home. There are two primary homemade ice cream recipes to consider. One for those strictly adhering to a low-carb, keto-friendly diet and another for occasional indulgence. The first recipe involves using heavy cream, egg yolks, allulose, a pinch of sea salt, and vanilla flavoring. Optional additions include pecans or walnuts. Blend the mixture and freeze it for 4 to 5 hours to enjoy homemade ice cream. The second recipe includes organic cream, 2 egg yolks, honey, sea salt, and pure vanilla. This mixture can be processed in an ice cream maker or a blender, allowing for greater control over the ingredients. This version is ideal for special occasions. Feel free to try out these recipes and share your thoughts. Stay tuned for the next video.